Hi there, it's Brown Bear here, and in last week's flow support video covering side step throughs, I mentioned that the arm hinge is a hooper's must-know trick because it allows you to transition onto any plane and onto any part of your body. So I decided to create a video dedicated to arm hinges, and today I'm going to be showing you 12 different ways to incorporate the arm hinge into your flow by transitioning onto different body parts or into different moves. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you can think of any other ways to use the arm hinge, I would love to know, so please let me know in the comments down below. But I hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching. And I forgot to mention that my right side is my dominant side, so you will see me doing these arm hinges with my right arm, but please know that you can do them with your left arm going in the opposite direction, and I do encourage you to practice both sides. Thank you so much for watching all the way until the end. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.